Hello and welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. So today we are going to see GLM 5.1 model and use this model with the OpenClaw. So OpenClaw is running on my machine and it is using the Gemma 4 model. So I will configure it to use the GLM 5.1 model. To get the GLM 5.1 model key, you need to go to model.com/glm-5-endpoint and here you will find the option to get the token. So this token is free and you can use it with your OpenClaw. So open the terminal in addition, open the command prompt in terminal mode and then run the command OpenClaw on board. Yes, and quick start. Use existing values and model provider we are going to use is OpenAI. We select the custom provider and the URL we will use is LV1. And it will ask for the API key. So we will click on create API key token. And it created the API key. Just copy it, paste. This is OpenAI compatible and model name is enter the model name, then press enter. So endpoint is verified. Click OK. So it is configuring this model provider. Restart the gateway. Now you can see gateway is being restarted. Gateway is started and you can see the model is this one. So this is done, and we can see the GLM 5.1. Let's talk. So we got the output from model. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.